How to use mail merge in Microsoft Word. Open your document in Microsoft Word. In this example, we'll be customizing the name and position on a certificate template. Create a list in Microsoft Excel. Include columns for name and position. Save this file as we'll use it as the recipient list for our mail merge. Go back to Word. On the menu bar, click on Mailings. Next, select Recipients and then choose Use an existing list. A dialog box will appear. Locate and select your Excel file. Select the table containing your list. Since we only have one table in this example, click OK. Insert merge fields into your template. Highlight the word Name. Go to the Insert Merge field and choose Name. Repeat this process for the Position field. Preview your results. Click Preview Results to check different records by using the Next button. Print your documents. Click on Finish and Merge and select Print Documents. Alternatively, you can generate pages with the list by choosing Edit Individual Documents and hitting OK. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the mail merge process. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.